Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to download and print your Wizz Air tickets in 2025. Whether you booked online or through the Wizz app, this guide will walk you through step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wizzair.com or open the official Wizz Air mobile app. Then click or sign in at the top. Then enter your email and password used when booking, and once login, go to my booking to see all your upcoming flight. Next, select the flight to you want. You will see your booking details, passenger information here, and confirmation code and passenger names. Then travel dates. Here you will also find the option to check in the online if you haven't already. Remember, Wizz Air requires you to check in online before you flight to get your boarding pass. If your flight check-in is already open, click check-in, enter your passport or ID details, confirm your seat, and complete the check-ins. Once that done, your boarding pass will be generated automatically. After check-in, you will see two options: download PDF boarding pass. This is your flight tickets, and send boarding pass to email. Wizz Air will emails the PDF, so you can open it anytime on the Wizz Air app. You can also save it directly to your phone wallet or keep it inside the app. Now to print your tickets and open the PDF boarding pass on your computer. Connect your printer, then click print. Make sure the QR code uh, is clear and visible on the pages. Wizz Air requires the printed boarding pass in some airports, so it's always good to have one, even if you also use the mobile version. And that's it. That's how you download and print your Wizz Air tickets in 2025. Super easy. Always keep both a printed copy and a digital copy on your phone, just in case. If this guide helped you and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.